Alden, it's your update. Yan ay the story ni Alden. Mga abangan kay Alden. Yung new house niya. Saka bagong tambayan ni Alden. And sabi dito, test run week will start invitation soon. You know. So ito pa sa post ng Bike Pit Manila. And fitting na naman si Alden ng bagong bike. Sabi dito, standing out with Alden's C68. The only one is this colorway. Survived his first 100 rides with his Colnago B5 RS World Champ Edition. Yun, no? Yan si Alden, napaka-productive. Student pilot, tapos, ano, cycling era pa. Yun, no? Grabe yan. Saka ito pa, panalo din sa rating. Ang stars on the floor ni Alden na pumalo na 8.7. Grabe yun. Yan yung Sabado. Sa ito pa yung IG story ni Alden, sabi dito, cycling is about pushing yourself to do more. I can't go on, I must go on, I will go on, you know. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Victor Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.